Hey guys, this is Antonio Figueiredo with Talk to Your Team and Local Property. I would like to invite you guys to meet our new listing in Orange Beach. Guys, welcome to Yachtsman Condominium Unit 2F. Come check it out.